Lost in the wild with nothing but your wits? Don't panic. Here's your 60-second survival guide. First, find water. Listen for running streams or look for lush green vegetation. Always boil it before drinking if you can. Next, shelter. Find a natural formation like a cave or build a simple lean-to against a fallen tree using branches and leaves. This will protect you from the elements. For food, think small. Edible plants, insects, and fish are your safest bets. Never eat anything you can't positively identify. Finally, signal for help. Create a large SOS on the ground with rocks or branches, or use a mirror or shiny object to flash at passing aircraft. Remember the rule of threes. You can survive 3 minutes without air, 3 days without water, and 3 weeks without food. Stay calm, stay smart, and you'll make it out. For more tips, like and subscribe.